Hello everyone, welcome to General Tech and Finance. This channel is all about technology, digital skills and ways to grow financially. In today's video, I will share 5 important things every beginner must know before using GDevelop. You do not need any coding experience. Everything will be explained in very simple words. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps the channel to grow and you get to receive notification anytime I drop content like this. Let's dive in. Point 1. GDevelop uses logic, not coding. GDevelop does not use traditional coding. You won't be writing long code or complex programming language. Instead, GDevelop works with event. Event simply means when something happens, do something. Example, when the player touches a coin, the coin increases. As a beginner, focus on logic, not coding. If this makes sense to you, tap the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Point 2. Scenes are like the screen in your game. Scenes are like different screen in your game. Main menu is a scene. Game level is a scene. Game over screen is also a scene. Avoid putting everything in one screen. Always separate your game into scenes to avoid confusion. Comment scene if you understand this now. Point 3. Variables help your game remember things. Variables help your game remember information. Example, score, health, coins, level. If something needs to be remembered across the game, use global variable. Like the video if you want a full beginner video on variables. Point 4. Extension make development easier. Extensions are ready-made tools in development. They help you add player movement, health bars, mobile control. Always check extension before building features from scratch. Subscribe to General Tech and Finance for more GDevelop and tips. Point 5. Start with smaller games. Do not start with big or complex game. Start with simple games like endless runner, simple shooting game, tap to jump game. Small games help you to learn faster. Comment a small game you want to build first. That's a simple explanation of how GDevelops work. If you want to learn how to create your first scene, add characters and build a simple game step by step, subscribe to General Tech and Finance. Like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment GDevelop if the explanation has helped you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.